Hi again. We're back at the compost corner. Moving on now to another method of composting, vermicomposting, which is essentially worm composting. We're standing here, just checking out the bird feeders. We like to bring in the hummers at the compost corner because who doesn't like the hummers flying around during the day? Okay, so come on down with me. What we got here is your basic cano worms purchased through the city's voucher program. It's got a couple levels here. Multi-leveled worm hotel, essentially. Level 1 here. Not really using this. We got some finished castings in here. I'll show you that later. Level 2, this is where the magic happens. This is where your food waste turns into nutritious amendment for your soil. Amazing. Come on in here. What we got here is bedding. This is shredded newspaper, and then a scoop of soil, because worms are like chickens. They have gizzards and they need that for the grit. Let me find a section here from when I last fed the worms. They eat pretty quickly. So got a section here, I put some celery in the other day. Let's find the worms. So if you can get in there, you can see the worms. There's quite a few in there. I don't know the exact count in here right now, but I'm gonna throw some food in here. So you can blend up the food, or you can just throw it straight in here. They'll eat it either way. They'll eat it faster if it's shredded. So I'll put this in here. And what you do with this method, you just bury it. That's it. And the worms will eventually turn all this over into worm poop, which is great for your garden. This, almost no smell. Do you agree with it, Mary?
I agree.
There's almost no smell. I keep it outside if you have a really small place. You can also keep it inside and it won't smell. As long as you take care of it, don't put too much food in it, and monitor how much the worms are eating. What happens though is after the worms eat all of it, what you can do is, so after they eat everything, I'm storing the castings in here right now because I don't have any plants. This is what it'll look like. There's some unfinished parts, but this is all worm poop. Traditionally though, so when this is all turned over, you'll just fill this up with an empty one up with bedding and put the scoop of soil in there and some food and then set it on top, and then the worms will migrate up through and the process starts all over again. Cut.